got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited, so gonna get to clapping.
Hi, my name is Buzzy, and today we're gonna talk about fidget toys. So I have two kinds of fidget toy. I have a fidget spinner and a fidget cube. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about fidget spinner. So bye-bye, fidget cube. So if you don't know what's a fidget spinner is when you put it in your hand and you spin it like this. And in this video, we're gonna test both of my fidget spinner spin time. Yeah, so let's get started. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you stay tuned for the part 2 of Fidget Cube. This is always Buzzy signing off.